is from Haley. Dr. Johnson, I need your help. My fiance spends a lot of time with his best friend, who's a woman, and it makes me very uncomfortable. They do not have a romantic past, but sometimes I wonder if they secretly have feelings for each other. How do I handle this situation? I've heard this a lot.
Haley, if I were you and you came in to see me in EFT, what I would try to do is create some safety between you and your fiance. Try to see what happens when you guys talk about this. Is there anything in the way of him really hearing you here? Maybe he's not hearing how uncomfortable you are. Maybe that's somehow difficult for him to hear. And then I would help you do what we see people do in secure bonding relationships. I'd help you listen to your own feelings and put out your needs very clearly. Might sound something like, I'd help you say to him, you know, when you spend so much time with this lady, I get really scared. I wonder if you're starting to develop feelings for her. I wonder if maybe you might even start to fall in love with her and then I'd lose you. It scares me. I need you to help me with this feeling. I need you to listen to me and help me with this feeling. That's what we call a hold me tight conversation. And then I try to help him hear her. I don't know what's happening in the relationship. You know, it's hard for us to put out clear signals when we get afraid.
Right.
It really is.